Shopbot Tools is based in Durham, North Carolina. We are one of the largest manufacturers of CNC equipment in America, and we have been innovators of CNC technology for more than 20 years.
I'm Anthony Wong, and I'm an engineer here at Shopbot Tools. I'm here to introduce the Desktop MAX. It's one of our newest tools in our lineup of CNC tools. By CNC, I mean computer numeric control, which means it uses the power of computers to drive a router. That gives us a level of precision and repeatability that you just can't get by hand. So a couple years ago, we introduced the Shopbot desktop tool, and people really loved it because of its precision and small footprint. One thing we kept hearing from customers, they just wanted a little more area, just a little more space. And so that sort of inspired us to come out with this new tool that doubles the cutting area and gives you a lot more space than you did before.
The Desktop MAX has a removable bed that allows for a edge clamping fixture to allow to run dovetails or specialized finger joints that can't be done with traditional woodworking equipment.
One of the unique things about the Desktop MAX is that for the first time we offer the option of what kind of table you get with it. So the first option is T-slotted aluminum extrusion, which is the exact same thing as what you get on a Shopbot desktop tool. But the exciting thing is that we now also offer a vacuum plenum, a universal vacuum system that you can use to hold down sheet goods with the flip of a switch.
You don't have to plan ahead or understand or worry about where the cutter path is going to go. It also allows you not to have to use mechanical fasteners like screws or glues to hold the part in place.
It has the precision to be able to carve 3D models. This is an example of a guitar neck that I cut. And while it's a 3-axis tool, with jigging you can even do two-sided machining and do the front and the back. People normally think of CNC tools for cutting woods and plastic, but one thing they often overlook is that it can cut non-ferrous metals. So here's an example of some aluminum that we cut. And our tool is precise enough that we can use it for our own internal prototyping, and this is an example of parts that we cut out for prototyping the HandyBot tool.
So the Desktop MAX comes with a high-frequency spindle, which allows for very fine control of RPM, which is very beneficial for when you're cutting plastics or aluminum. So what we have here is a sample cut that we use for training purposes. And without the benefits of the RPM, we wouldn't be able to get a fine control of that edge quality that allows some of these inlays to fit as tightly as they do.
It gives you a professional level of performance at an affordable price.